Hey everybody, how are you? This is Antoinette Young, busy little bee homeschooler. Welcome to my channel. I'm over here and I'm so excited that I finally completed my homeschool area. Okay, this is a portion of my living room, okay, in my little dining area, okay. But nonetheless, hey, we gotta do what we gotta do to make sure the kids are getting the best education possible in these times, right? So let me go ahead and start. I'm so excited that my grandson and my granddaughter, they were able to get their desk. Okay, so this is a white and gray desk for Josiah. And this is a pink and a white desk for Joanna. Now, Joanna's in a kindergarten and she's only 5 years old. And Josiah is 7 years old and he's in the second grade. Okay, so what I've done is taken out their books to show them when they wake up in the morning and get themselves together and have breakfast and stuff and come on down after they've had their personal hygiene. I'm going to show them exactly what they're going to be doing classwork out of. So we have a second grade workbook for him, and that consists of reading, writing, addition, and subtraction in there, as well as some Singapore math right here. There's nothing wrong with more math, right? It's about making it fun for the kids, and Josiah loves math. He loves math. Okay, so I have a practicing handwriting right here, as well as a journal. When they first come in, they're going to sit down, and this is what the first thing they do every single day. First thing is open up the journal and write in your journal. Right here, we have our manuscript right here, and this is for you to trace. Trace your letters on right there. I'm going to teach my grandchildren math, how to correct their math themselves. After they did the math work, they're going to correct their math, okay? Because we did it before when we were young, right? We reversed it, right, to correct our math, right? After you're done doing that, then I'm going to teach you how to use your calculator as well. What a wonderful, wonderful thing. Now over here for Anna, okay, I also have her workbook items to do. So this right here for her, okay, these are the words I'm going to ask her, can you tell me what the house looks like? Is there a cat or a hat? And she says, yes, ma'am. Then she circles the house. She says, yes, ma'am. Then she circles the cat. So she's going to be doing that as well as shapes. And some coloring in here as well. So she has 3 of those right there until her book actually comes in. Because her book has not come in, so I had to download these right here. She also has the kindergarten math, a big fun coloring book, a journal, and a write on and wipe off manuscript, as well as a calculator and some beautiful little beads to go around her neck. Say hello and welcome to Grandma's Homeschool. Now over here in this area, I have books for the grandkids and my kids, whoever wants to read the books, assortment of books and puzzles, rhyming fun puzzles here, learning resources right here, the little bing bong answer buzzers for the grandkids and my sons, sight word swap. Okay, here I have the division flashcard, multiplication, okay, flashcards. Okay, and right here I have more division rings right here. And my son came over on Saturday and brought this for the kids for fun time. When it's raining, they can play this on the is it a Wii, or this is a Switch game. Okay, now I'm gonna step back so you guys can see the wall. These are famous African Americans, trailblazers. Okay, so for African, because I studied African American studies, I had that course when I was in college back in California. So I said, what a great thing to do, right? So this is my famous African American trailblazers right here. We have our amendments, our Constitution, and we know there's 27. Oh, there's 27. Okay, amendments, right? I have our flag right here so the kids can know exactly how many stars and stripes are on a flag. We have our alphabet as well as our numbers. Okay, and this is like right here on this little board. I wrote down exactly what we're going to be doing. Hope you guys can see that. Language arts is for Jonathan because he's 7th grade now. Phonics for the children. vocabulary, sight words, math, social studies, and history for Johnny. The history and the language arts go to him. So I made the arrow showing phonics A, B, C, D. Okay. Vocabulary, she, he, skip. And sight words, owl and soil, right? Then we have the math, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and decimal. What they're going to be learning. Okay, that's what they're going to be learning. Now here on the walls, you guys can see down here, that's me. We have our presidents right here. So I told you guys before, when I homeschool my older children like Jasmine and Joshua and Sabrina, you know, Jasmine's 30 years old, Joshua's 24, and Sabrina's 25. So yes, mommy has been doing this for a long time. So Joshua learned all the presidents when he was younger. He was able to write 5 at a time. That's what I had him to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would have him to rap, because back then the children were learning, you know, good by music, right, and sound and rap. So he would say George Washington, John Adams. Should be George Washington, John Adams, Thomas Jefferson, James Madison, James Monroe, and he stopped right here. So he had those 5 right there. He knew the date they became president and the date they left office, and when the second person came in after them. So we did that. So that's exactly what I'm going to do with the children as well. So we see all of the presidents go around. Okay, we have our addition table as well as multiplication tables, greater than or less than for math, parts of speech, word families, the clock, learning this all the time, shapes, calendar partners, that's for the morning when they come in, month and year, as well as colors. Okay, so we have that right there. And I wanted to show you, let's go over here. I can read. Okay, these are the phonic books, phonics. Okay, and that's my little pointer, you know, point to the board, as well as I have more of the clocks right here. So they'll be able to take their little, I'll say, okay, show me 3 o'clock. And then they'll take this right here and they'll write down right in this little area right there what time it is. Okay. Also, I have more of the I can read phonics right there. Pete the cat. I have a 7th grade math practice. Okay. And that is Singapore. As well as the 6th grade for Johnny. McGraw-Hill for that's the first. Yeah, McGraw-Hill right here. This one right here is for Josiah. Okay. Now right here I have fractions, as well as compare and contrast, numbers, match the numbers, first words, okay, as well as shapes, flashcards. Down below, I have so many items, okay. I have crafting items down below right here, as you guys can see. I have my crayons, as well as some washable markers. We have all kinds of pens and highlighter and pencils. And in this one, lots of pens and pencils in there, as well as erasers behind there. And right here, like there's glue and glue sticks in there. Oh yeah, and there's a crafting thing right there. Because we have little paint brushes and stuff like that in there too. We have paper. I have an easel down here. Hold on, guys. I have an easel. A little easel right there. A little small one. And more paper and more books back here, as well as goodies for the kids. My 10 frame set right there. And my abacus right there. Here we have a treasure chest full of goodies. Hold on, let me see if I can get up there and see. Hold on. Full of goodies in there for the kids. Binders. Okay. My bulletin board, extra bulletin boards. My sight words, okay, for the kids, for bingo, for playing bingo. As well as my daily schedule. Like I said, 9 a.m. to 9:30 journals. circle time at 9:30, 10 a.m. Letters, phonics, and the list goes on and on and on. I have vowels and consonants right here. This is for Joanna, so she'll know her alphabet, her A-E-I-O-U right there. You see that? And that's the centipede right there. And you know what I learned? Even with my own kids. Most kids don't know how to write a letter. Well, when I say letter, they don't know how to go to the post office and send off a letter. So I have the personal information right here. Okay, so that's going to be like an envelope. So we have to teach them how to write, you know, the information on an envelope. So I have that right there for them. And where to put a stamp as well. Now, here is Joanna's little section right here. And I showed you guys already some of her workbook items that she'll be doing. I have that right there. And I'm going to show you some more. Okay, in this section right here, this is my son Jonathan's section right here. So he has a nice little desk here. His Hewlett-Packard laptop. He has his composition book so he can do his journal, as well as more paper and index cards. He has the same thing that other kids have, which is a calculator, as well as manuscript. Because even though he's in the 7th grade now, his penmanship is not the best. He is a lefty. So it's imperative that we are making sure that his penmanship gets better, right? So in here, this little bucket right here, we have what? We have pencils, pens, highlighters, and a stapler, okay? He has also the Singapore level 6th grade because he's 7th grade, but he's been out of school since April. And you guys know it's been difficult for the kids, and I don't want to put them in a math class or grade that I know he's not going to comprehend or understand. So I took him back and let him stay in the 6th grade math. And if I have to, I'll take him back to 5th grade math. Whatever we have to do to make sure our children are doing their best, okay, and getting the best education. Now here are our other famous individuals. We have here trailblazers, okay, Einstein, Benjamin Franklin, Florence Nightingale, everyone, okay? So that's good for him. And I have this right here for him as well. So he's going to put his name on here, the notes, and the different days what assignments should be done and when it's supposed to be turned in. Got that for him. And this nice chair right here. Nice little chair. I like that. Yep. And we have our little signs on the door right here. Please wash your hands. Help stop the spread of germs. Star of the week. So when they come home, who's ever the star of the week will get their accolades. Okay. And other posters right here. Right now I'm waiting on my easel to come. So once my easel arrives, I will be able to put these posters up on a daily basis, from emotions to the alphabet and also the numbers. We want to make sure every day that we're talking to the children and we're asking them how they feel. So this is just a poster about the emotions. It's okay to be happy, afraid, guilty, or feel excited, sad, jealous. These are different emotions that our children have, and sometimes it's hard for them to express how they feel. Embarrassed, tired, okay? So these are shy, okay? So that's why I got that, and I'll be putting that up as well. I want to thank you guys again for watching my channel. You've seen the addition tables, multiplication tables, greater than, less than, parts of speech, word families, shapes, the calendar partner, months and years, as well as colors. The kids are going to be having a good time. You guys seen down here that I have my division rings. Division rings right here for the kids. Okay, more flashcards. I mean, you're going to have a good time, and I'm just going to love using the answer buzzer. They're going to have good times, especially when it's raining outside and they can't get outside. They have everything that they need, from puzzles to books to Bible stories. Okay, a good time. Thank you so very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like my video. Tell your friends about me and watch us, because I will be filming the kids learning homeschool with grandma. Antoinette Young, Busy Little Bee Homeschool. Thank you for watching. Have a great and blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys later, okay? Bye. Famous African-American trailblazers. Colin Powell, Barack Obama, Harriet Tubman up there at the top right there. Okay. Rosa Parks. Constitution. Thank you for watching. Have a good and blessed day. Bye.